Applying a white base, then blending in a cream polish from the top using an ombre brush. Drawing a thin branch with black shell. Rubbing gold chrome powder onto the branch. Applying a matte top coat so the watercolor design stays in place. Time to paint some soft flowers with watercolor and then using a dry brush to blend and control the look. Adding a few leaves to finish off the floral vibe. Sealing the design with a glassy top coat for a clean, shiny finish, and that's it. I apply a matte top coat over a pearl white base. This helps control the watercolor better. Now, I use blue watercolor to paint a rose. I tap color onto the nail, then use a dry brush to shape each petal. Watercolor doesn't need a UV lamp, just let it dry for a minute or two. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Next, I add a few tiny leaves using the same technique. Color first, then shape with a dry brush. Now I apply a thin layer of top coat to lock in the watercolor design. Using gold metallic shell, I draw the flower stem and a few golden leaves for extra detail. To finish, I add a glossy top coat and done. I'm applying a glittery top coat on a white nail. It has a sparkle underneath. Now a layer of matte top coat. This helps us paint easily with watercolor. I'm painting a 5-petal flower with black watercolor. Place color with a wet brush, then use a dry one to control water and shape the design. Using the same technique, add some leaves and branches too. Using gold metallic shell to highlight the flower center and add a soft golden touch to some parts. Finally, I'm sealing everything with a glossy top coat to finish off the look. Apply a layer of blooming gel on a white base. Without curing it, I'm adding some pink gel using an ombre brush to create a soft marble look. If you like marble nails, give this video a like. Then go over with a matte top coat. This makes the nail perfect for painting with watercolor. Here comes the fun part. I start painting a rosebud using watercolor. First, I use a wet brush to lay down the color, then a dry brush to shape it and control the flow. Let me know in the comments if you've tried watercolor on nails. And finally, seal your rosebud with a glossy top coat and we're done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.